What the was that? Like, what was that?
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty, pretty.
Hello. So, I just came from watching The Devil Wears Prada, and yes, I do have on a hat again. Different hat, but a hat again. I'm just hatted up these days. Like, I cannot. Like, I just don't want to have my face out or anything like that. I'm always in incognito. But anyway, I came to HomeGoods with my mom and with Zoe, and yeah, she wants to find something for the sink. I don't know what's going on, but the movie was mid. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a big fan of Devil Wears Prada too. So not two, but just as in Devil Wears Prada, I'm biggest fan ever. The first one, I just don't think that anything can top it. Yeah, but it was still good, but it just wasn't as good as the first one. And I think it's one of those movies that you cannot top the first one. Like, you can't. Like, there's nothing as iconic as that one. I actually feel the same way for Sex and the City, but I still appreciate and love the second Sex and the City. It was so good, but just, it's hard to top the first one. Oh, I see my mom and Zoe now. I went to use the bathroom. But yeah, it's been so long since I recorded on my actual phone, so it's probably gonna come out a little janky, but I'm sorry. What's that? Oh, there's the stoppers? Yeah. Oh, okay. She needed stoppers. Can I show the camera the stoppers? She needs like this. I don't know. I feel like the other one is the same, but whatever. Yeah, but it's been a long time since I filmed on my actual phone. I'm walking backwards because my mom hates being on camera. Zoe doesn't mind, but my mom hates it. Yes. That's cute too. Let's see it. Zoe has picked out, let it go, these little sponges. I don't know what the fuck.
It's strawberries.
It is strawberry sponge. Is it to clean dishes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I think she's doing dishes.
Yeah, it's to clean dishes. But anyway, we are shopping in HomeGoods. What is this stuff? It's cute. But yeah.
Go look at book.
Go look at what?
Book thingies.
Table book what?
Books they put on the table like Tom Ford and
Is that in here?
they have books, yes.
I don't know. I'm ready to go home. I'm actually really tired. And I didn't do anything today but just like lay in the bed, and I don't care though. I'm still tired. Yeah. That's good. She looks crazy. My apologies. But yeah, we're just gonna continue shopping. I will see you guys later. It is a new week, by the way. Ha, new week. Yes, I forgot to say that. Oh my god, I hate it when she does that. It is a new week. All right, bye. Hello. So we're going to happy hour. I convinced them. I'm constantly convincing my coworkers to go to happy hour. I don't know why. It's what I do. Oh, it's a new week. Hello. We're in the city. We're going to Legacy. Per usual, I love Legacy. I'm obsessed with it. But we're going to Legacy. And Moxie is also there too. One day we have to try the Moxie, but I really like Legacy's prices, and I like the fact that they have like dollar oysters. I was like, please give me Legacy. But we're on our way there. Yes, it's either I'm wearing the hat or these glasses. Guys, I'm obsessed. What? What's happening where? Why is there so many people over? Oh, Moxie has a rooftop. That's why. Yeah. That's not where we're going. Yeah, we're going straight. At least I think. I'm not sure. No, no, we're not going. Okay. We almost got hit by a car. But yeah, I think I have a view of it. Let me show you guys. There. Legacy. But there's also a line for the Moxie. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, same. It's probably popping though, but. Thank you. I'm sure you guys have seen this before, but you're gonna see it again. This is it. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I love it, love it. Hi guys. Okay, can you hear me? So, I am on my way home from happy hour. Finally, my mic is charged. Like, usually it's not charged, but it's charged tonight. Happy hour was freaking fantastic. I went with 2 of my coworkers. It was amazing. Guys, a time was had. A time was had, and it was so much fun. But now it's time to go home. And if you know anything about Long Island, you don't get that many trains home late at night. So I have to get on a connecting flight. Connecting flights. Not, oh my God, I'm saying connecting flights. Oh my God, connecting trains. Connecting trains are super annoying. I have to transfer at Jamaica, and I'm like, I don't want to transfer at Jamaica. Like, Jesus Christ, why am I transferring at Jamaica? But that is the next train that I could get. So I was just like, fine, fuck it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. But tonight is about to be a wrap. I'm talking about so much conversation was had. I have so much perspective, so much more new information, so much more stuff I have to follow up on though. My coworker is low-key the GOAT. Like, she is a genius. And I'm like, help me take my social media off, please, girl. But she has information for so much stuff, and I'm just like, please help me. But yeah, so I'm on the way home. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. I'm hoping I get to work tomorrow on time. Like, I did not expect to be out this late, but I am. No, I should be fine though, because I'm not drunk. Like, I'm a little tipsy, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm not like drunk. So I should be good to go. Anyway, my train is leaving now and the sound is off. So I am going to end today here. Have a good night, guys. Bye. Morning, guys. It is now the weekend. Finally, we made it through the whole week. Jesus. Even though it was a short week, it just felt like Monday was not a holiday. It really felt like we just have been at work since last weekend. Like, serious. Well, not we, me, clearly. But sorry for my lighting. The sun is like too bright. I wonder if I could fix this. But the sun is kind of bright. There we go. I am at my therapy session. I'm waiting on my therapist. She is running a little behind, so I'm just in my car waiting, listening to Drake. Guys, I'm obsessed. All 3 albums. I'm obsessed. I do not care. I'm the biggest Drake fan ever, and I will shout it from the rooftops. That man can make some damn music. I don't think there's an album that I wasn't like really feeling like that. Like, there's always something on his albums. Like, I can let it just, all of them, I can let it play straight through. It's an obsession. I'm not sure if it's an obsession. I think he just makes really good music. Like, he makes music that everybody wants to hear, pretty much, except for the haters. I understand. He could be a lot for people that don't like Drake, but love him. But yeah, I'm waiting to go to therapy. I have a few topics that I want to talk about because I started dating again recently, and I'm just like, ugh. Like, I'm like, it's I don't want to say it's hard out here because I just started and I have a few knocks at my door. So I don't know. I don't want to say it's hard out here, but I do want to say, for someone that doesn't really date like that, I am tired. I'm exhausted. It takes a lot of getting to know people, and it's just like a lot of effort that I'm not sure if I have anymore. I feel like that's kind of a deep topic. Like, I'm not sure, like, do I want to actually talk to people? I know that sounds nuts. Like, you have to talk to people in order to end up with someone, but I'm just like, I don't know if I have it in me. It's gonna take a little bit for me to get back on that horse, because it's a little exhausting. Like, it's really exhausting to date. But anyway, the topic for my therapist, not you guys. After this, I have again, which you guys already know, I have my French lesson, and then I have laundry. Yeah, so not really of the funnest weekend, but it is what it is. She just got here. I watched her walk in, so I'm going to have to pick you guys back up later. I know I hate it when I say that. I'll call y'all back later. Bye. Hi guys. So I've been out of therapy. I literally went home. Well, I didn't go. I went to a bagel spot. Funny story about that. I went to my bagel spot, and then I went home, did my French lessons. And okay, guys, I feel like I have so much stomach issues, and you guys are hearing about it like all throughout the time that I have stomach issues. Anyway, I just got violently ill from that bagel. I got a bagel with cream cheese and bacon. I mean violently ill for like it was like after my French lessons. It was around like 2 o'clock. So I really think I got food poisoning, and it came out both ways. Sorry to say it that way, both ways. And it was like violent. I was sweating, like it was so bad. And then I'm like, everything like subsides and it's done, and then I'm like in the bed shivering, cold as hell, go to sleep, wake up, it's like nothing happened. Has that ever happened to anyone? Is that food poisoning? Can someone tell me, is that food poisoning? Because I woke up from that nap and it's like my body was just fine. It's like, all right, never mind. What the was that? Like, what was that? Someone tell me what that was, because it's freaking me out. Anyway, now I'm at IKEA, and I'm not waiting for Monica. I should probably call Monica. She's probably already here. Jesus Christ. It's always me, guys. It's always me. Let's call her and see where she's at. It's always me. I have to wear these glasses because my face looks fucking nuts. Like, I look like I've been through it. And I have. Oh my god. Someone save me from my freaking self. And then my stomach has the nerve to growl when I woke up.
Yep.
Hi.
Hey.
What you doing?
Nothing. I just walked in.
Oh, okay.
What just? I texted when I pulled up, when I parked. I used the bathroom.
Oh, I didn't get the text. My bad. I was driving. I just got here though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. Okay.
Where are you gonna meet me?
I'm on the second floor.
Second floor. Okay.
Yeah. Well, we could wait.
I will try to find you.
Oh yeah. No, yeah, you'll see us. We'll see you. You'll see us.
All right.
I'm not going deep.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. I'm gonna go in real quick. Ugh. I cannot believe that happened to me. I'm so over it. Ugh. Yeah, I'll call you back. Guys, you know I cannot resist a good candle. Like, I need to know how it smells. I don't like that one. I don't know which one that was, but let's smell this one. Oh, I love me a good candle. We have to smell them all. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. Oh, what about this one, guys? Let's smell this one. See it? It's good. Oh, I love this one. This one smells like the soap that used to be in my grandmother's bathroom when I was little. Oof, oof, I love candles. Oh, this one too. Ah, memories. Monica, is this the one that was upstairs?
Yes.
Oh, it's heavenly. You know, this is so stupid to be looking for it now, but I needed a vase, like a very tall one. No, it's stupid that I'm saying this at the end of this.
Oh, I think this is a...
Would it be here? I'm looking for like the rough material and for it to be like up to here. Like the rough material on the outside and for it to be like up to here. Be a little shorter. Guys, I'm in the plant section, but this whole time I could have been looking for a vase to put in my room. I'm looking for like a white vase that's like really, really, not tall, but up to my hip. And it's like a rough material at the end. I'm such a fool. I'm such a fool. Anyway, I think we're exiting stage left, so our journey is now over. Hey, so we're hiking. It is literally Sunday morning and we're hiking. Yeah, I thought you guys want to see the trail that we usually do, and it's so beautiful.
And I opened it up and it had like 5 here.
It's so pretty. I love it. I literally say hi. The person that didn't want to come, now you want to be in the video. That's so funny.
People love me.
She said the people love her. Okay, that's fine. But yeah, we're on this hike. This is our usual trail. I love doing this hike. It's in Merrick. For the people that don't know, for the hidden gems of Long Island, it's so pretty out here. Like, more people have to venture out here. I kind of feel like I'm giving away somewhere that I shouldn't, but that's fine. Okay, you're gonna go back? Come on. But yeah, it's a nice little hike. You can actually go like uphill. I will not be going uphill this, come on. I will not be going uphill this time. I'll only be going to the lake and back because I can't do all that today. But we're also going to the pantry. We're hungry and we're going, so like I need food and a drink. Wait, it's like 10 a.m. but still I need food though, and so does Zoe. She's like, you better be taking me somewhere nice after this, and I'm like, oh, expectations high already. Look at this, guys, it's so pretty. But yeah, I will see you guys at the lake. It's the prettiest sight ever. And I'm just like, well, not ever, but it's so nice out here. And it's the perfect time for a walk. It's like, how many degrees are you? You don't have your iPad.
It's 10.
That's time.
Oh.
It's, I think like 70 degrees already right now, but it's perfect weather for hiking. Anyway, I'll show you guys the lake soon. What I forgot to mention on this trip, guys, not on the trip, on the hike, there are wild goats and they are the cutest things ever. They're so cute. Look at them. Aren't they so cute? Hi.
Bye.
Hi. Oh my gosh.
They're friendly. You can pet them.
They're so cute. I was told I can pet them, so I'm gonna do it. Like, can I?
None of them are mean.
I'm gonna do this one. Hi. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're gonna pet it? Oh my gosh.
They don't bite.
They're so cute. Oh. I completely forgot that they had like farm life on this trail. They're so cute. I can't. But yeah. Oh, that just touched my heart. Zoe, what are we doing now? If you could lift yourself up, that would make me feel better about your gymnastics classes. Girl. Girl. No. You have to be able to lift yourself.
Yeah.
Can you see me in your uniform?
Who is this?
No, not that close, but can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh!
Like that.
Okay.
I'm like, you gotta do better. You gotta be able to lift yourself. What is that? What are we doing? What are we... That's not lifting your own self. That is not doing it. Are you giving yourself a head start? What are we going? Okay. Okay. Girl, get down. What are we doing? What are we doing? I'll see you guys at the water. guys my favorite lookout point. It's so freaking nice out here. I love it. It's so nice. It always tracks face. I don't want to track face, please. But yeah, it's so beautiful out here. And it's one of my favorite places to go to. I can't get away from it. I'm just like, ah, it's so nice. And every time I come here, I'm like in awe. I love living on Long Island. Long Island is one of the best places ever. Like, you get the best of both worlds. Like, you have a form of a city life, but it's not that city. And you have everything around you. Or I should say Nassau County. Even though Suffolk County is beautiful, the guys, that's where the Hamptons and stuff like that is. But Nassau County has some gems. And it's just like, I don't have to live far from the city. Like, I literally live an hour away from the city. And it's always amazing. So this is beautiful.
Everything looking good over here.
It is. Thank you.